When you read such news, does this question strike to your mind that what is IMF, from where it gets money to help different countries? Why is there a need of such institution? We'll be answering all your queries related to International Monetary Fund in this video, so keep watching. IMF is an international organization headquartered in Washington, D.C., consisting of 189 countries, which primarily works to help countries during their balance of payment crisis. The current managing director of IMF is a Bulgarian economist, Kristalina Georgieva, serving since October 1, 2019, and Geeta Gopinath was appointed as chief economist of IMF on 1 October 2018. Earlier, she had worked as the economic advisor to the Chief Minister of Kerala. Talking about the organizational structure of IMF, the United Nations is the parent organization that handles the proper functioning and administration of the IMF. It is headed by a managing director who is elected by Executive Board for a 5-year term of office. It also consists of the Board of Governors, Ministerial Committees, and Executive Board. It was formed in 1944 at Bretton Woods Conference and came into existence in 1945 with 29 member countries and their goal of reconstructing the international payment system. But today, IMF in its 189 countries monitors exchange rate, fosters global monetary cooperation, secure financial stability, high employment and reduce poverty. While the World Bank, which was created out of same conference, focuses on financing and investing in developing countries as well as eliminating poverty. तो अब IMF कंट्रीज को लोन देने के लिए पैसे लाता कहाँ से है? सो ये मनी इसे मेंबर कंट्रीज प्रोवाइड करती हैं in the form of funds through a quota system. And the size of members' quota depends on its economic and financial importance in the world. जिस कंट्री की इकोनॉमी जितनी बड़ी होती है, उसे उतना ज़्यादा फंड देना होता है. And larger the quota of the country, larger is its voting power, which means जो country जितना ज़्यादा fund provide करेगी, उसे उतनी ही ज़्यादा voting power मिलेगी. At present, America has the most percentage of votes and India is at 8th position. So IMF uses this money collected from different countries to help the country that is in balance of payment crisis. So we can say that IMF protects from any kind of domino effects because recession in one country might affect the economies of others. For example, after the global financial crisis of 2008, the African countries were hit hard. Then IMF came in and helped Ghana by providing $600 million loan at very low interest rates, which helped Ghana grow and recover from the crisis situation. साथ ही IMF एक regulatory body की तरह act करता है as it keeps an eye on monetary policies of member countries. Plus, it provides technical assistance and training to central banks, finance ministries, and economic institutions of different countries. Apart from these, there are several reasons that IMF has been criticized for, but the major amongst them is the voting rights given to the countries according to their size of fund. That's it for this video. Hope this was informative for you. Please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting that thumbs up button.